I used up a whole 12 by 12 Echo Park Halloween collection and just wanted to share with you what I made. Hey guys, it's Beth. Welcome. I have been working on Halloween projects, and earlier this week I just sat down one night and had some extra time, and I decided to play. And I pulled out this older Echo Park collection called Spooky, and it was designed by Karina Gardner. And this is all I have left of the cover sheet, just because it did have cut aparts on the back. And so even though I didn't necessarily use them all, I went ahead and cut them up, and I'm going to put them back in my Halloween stash. So I did use up the whole collection, and I didn't film a process or anything because I just needed to play, kind of the freedom of playing and not having to really I didn't pre-plan anything. I just sat down with the collection, and I did bring in some photo play. I had a photo play like page kit. It was just ephemera, but it was like meant for a scrapbook page. And it was just kind of freeing. I just sat down and decided to see how many scrapbook layouts I could get out of this one collection. And I ended up getting 6 layouts, 8 total pages, because there are a couple of double page spread. So they are all Halloween themed, and I focused most on layouts and pages for my album. So I also scrapbook for my 2 daughters. So sometimes there will be like 3 of the same type of layout, the same event. There'll be similar layouts, just because I do enjoy the creating, like the physical creating of the layout, but sometimes I don't necessarily want to have to design 3 different layouts. So if I can recreate them, I will. But so this first one is from a Halloween party we had in 2015. And so I brought in some of the ephemera from Photo Play. And then I had made last year, I think I had made these little rosettes. They were cupcake liners, mini cupcake liners, and I just flattened them out, added a scallop circle, and then some pattern paper from a pad I was trying to use up last year. And then on this one, I added a button sticker from this particular collection. So I have the paper here on the back is one sheet, and then the polka dot paper is from the collection as well. So you can see it was a 2-page spread. Over here I used some more of those photo play ephemera pieces, and then stickers. Like I used like the bat, but then I brought in a bunch of these black star stickers in the end because I just had a bunch of them left. They were tiny, so I just kind of brought them in to go with the scene over here. And then 2 cut aparts here. I just turned one backwards to kind of add a base for this particular journal card to sit. And then, I actually think this little journal spot was part of the photo play. And actually the tree was a sticker from this collection. So that was a 2-page spread. This one is for one of the girls' albums. And so I did bring in some other Echo Park collection ephemera pieces that were just kind of more cutesy instead of more vintage based, just to kind of like cuten up the page a little bit for them. And then I brought in this witch just because Avery was a witch that year, and this is 2016, so I have stickers, sticker from this collection, a journal card, again turned backwards just to kind of add some additional pattern on this page. I just again used the pattern paper as my base page, and then I have the 2, like I said, 2 ephemera from another Echo Park collection, and I think this one was from that same collection. And this I trimmed down to kind of look like washi tape, but it was a border sticker from the Spooky collection. And then I also do have enamel dots. So for the month of, what month is this? September, the theme for Smash Our Stash was using enamel dots, drops, or brads. And so since I had the drops out, I kind of had those in my mind and decided to use some of those on these pages just as accents. So this one is very similar because it is from my other daughter. I just switched up kind of what I used like for accents here. Switched up the journal card and the sticker. The rest of it is basically the same, just in a different spot. I have another 2-page layout, another Halloween party. Brought in one of the 4x6 cut aparts this time to use as my title, and then again cut one of those little border strips down to act as like a strip accent. Pattern paper as background, used stickers to kind of accent. Brought in some black scrap cardstock. I had some of that on my desk, and so I just decided to pull it in some places. Since I didn't use any other pattern paper, I just brought that in to kind of ground, the pictures a little bit. Another one of those rosettes I had made in the past. Big journal card for some journaling, border sticker, and just some more stickers to accent. Single page spread. This was some pumpkin decorating in 2016. And here I actually used this part. It's part of a journal card because it had like some blank space, and I just used part of it as my title. So we're not actually at the pumpkin patch, but it was a day of like pumpkin fun. And then just stickers. I used the scraps of that orange and black polka dot that I had left, and then another border sticker up there. So this uses the same pattern paper as my base page. This is just some journal, like some of the cut aparts that I didn't use. I just decided to use the black side to kind of ground my photo mat here, and then double matted like orange and black sticker as my title. The other side of this journal card I used as my journal spot on this page, and then just accented with some of the smaller stickers and the enamel dots. So that I used up all the stickers. Like I kind of went back and added in stickers, where like some of the smaller stickers I kind of went back and filled in. And there may have been a few left. I can't remember. But if there were, I just kind of tucked them into my Halloween stash. And then there were these journal cards, and like I said, they were on the back of the 2 of each design in this collection, and one of the cut aparts was on the back of the cover sheet. So 6 different layouts for Halloween, 8 different pages, and that used the whole collection. So I am again sorry that this wasn't a process. I do have another Halloween collection that I'm using that I am working on a process video for you, but I haven't had another video this week because it's been kind of crazy, and so I did want to go ahead and at least share some Halloween inspiration with you. But please know that there is more fall and Halloween inspiration videos to come. But I thank you guys so very much for your time today, and hope you all have a very crafty day.